Mentor Handbook. Hospital ERP System, 3D DNN Video Interpretation. Author, Pradeep K. Suri. Version, 1.0. Date, June 2025. Table of Contents. 1. Introduction. 2. Video Overview. 3. DNN Layer Breakdown. 4. Mentoring Tips. 5. Glossary. 6. Appendix. 1. Introduction. This mentor handbook is designed to accompany the 3D Deep Neural Network, DNN, video for a hospital ERP system. It aims to guide mentors in explaining key concepts of AI-powered ERP solutions in healthcare, focusing on data inputs, processing layers, and actionable outputs. Target ments include hospital administrators, AI engineers, and IT professionals working in healthcare systems. 2. Video Overview. The video visualizes a multi-layer DNN used in a hospital ERP system. It showcases how patient data, example vitals, lab results, is processed through hidden layers to generate diagnostic outputs, treatment plans, and operational recommendations. Each layer of the network has a specific transformation role. Input layer, patient and system data, vitals, lab results, etc. Hidden layers, data transformation, diagnosis pattern recognition, and resource planning. Output layer, diagnosis, treatment plan, billing optimization. 3. DNN layer breakdown. Input layer includes vitals, lab results, radiology, symptoms, prescriptions, bed occupancy, doctor availability, equipment status, billing info, insurance claims, admission type, emergency alerts. Hidden layers. Layer 1, pre-processing, normalization and noise reduction. Layer 2, diagnosis pattern recognition, AI learns disease patterns. Layer 3, resource forecasting, predict bed, staff, and medication needs. Layer 4, allocation logic, match patients to resources. Layer 5, risk estimation, determine urgency and potential complications. Output layer. Diagnosis, treatment plan, billing code, and department notifications. 4. Mentoring tips. Encourage ments to map real hospital processes to input nodes. Use analogies, example human brain processing for hidden layers. Emphasize real-world impact, faster diagnosis, improved billing, better outcomes. 5. Glossary. DNN, Deep Neural Network. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Vitals, Patient Health Metrics, BP, HR, etc. 6. Appendix. See the attached 3D diagram from the video for a full visual of the DNN structure. Thanks for watching the video.